So we're bike riding to our restaurant because there was a wait, so we just went shopping, and now we're just gonna bike there because our wait is up. So let's bike down the shore, my favorite thing. Here we go. Thank God it's not raining. Aww. So we got a turkey BLT with fries and the strawberry fluff cakes. They look insane.
Let's try it.
The fries are like McDonald's. They're so good. Oh, great. It's really good. Just found the world's smallest purse. I love this bag. This is at Mayberry, the place we were just eating at. I have this sweatshirt, so cute. Oh my god, that's actually really cute. I love it.
I want it.
We're biking near the beach. It's so nice out. We're gonna head back in a bit and then go shopping. Here's my fun yellow bike. We're gonna go shopping and then I don't know what we're gonna do, but it's just so beautiful today. We just got Starbucks. We got the new pineapple passion fruit, which are my two favorite fruits. But we're shopping in this outdoor little strip mall, and we got some really cute clothes. We're gonna go to another place right now.
This place is really cute.
I know.
Here.
Still really nice out, which is great. So we might go do our little picnic with our friends, but we're gonna shop some more and then probably head back and hop in the pool or something and then go hang with our friends.
Hey guys, we just
my
got back
hair.
from Target.
Okay, first things first.
All
Important.
funfetti.
I forgot I had my nails done. Right, let's get real. Who? What are we making first? I'm like, okay, so what
and
do
we're
we
gonna
make
show
with
you our
this?
progress.
Hey guys.
This is our cheese board. Wait, look how good the asparagus looks.
Bomb.
Garlic, lemon, salt,
It's
pepper.
cute, right? It's not
We're gonna
like
put those on the
ugly.
grill. What is this?
That's
Oh, regular pasta. We're doing
this is
mac and cheese.
Zoom in
Wow.
And has all the seasonings on
and
it.
zoom in.
What is this?
Sharp cheddar.
Sharp cheddar.
That's great cheese.
And then we're doing mac and cheese. And then we have this, which looks so good. We're gonna put hot dogs on the grill and watch us four girls try to start a grill. Hydrangeas mean summertime. Guys, I'm scared.
Okay, thank you. Oh, here we go.
Are we sure?
Wait, how on
Yeah,
is this supposed to be?
I think we got it.
Is it supposed to be on high?
Wow.
Oh, here we have girls on the grill. What are we grilling up over here, ladies?
Asparagus. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but so don't come for me.
And Sierra's on hot dog duty.
You think I should make all of them or just these?
Jane's on Mac.
Yeah, cheese on mac.
In her to vlog camera. Where's Donnie? Yeah. I drink up, smoke up. Cheers.
Cheers. 4th of July with the girlies. Cheers. We have our meal and it's raining.
Oh, join my asparagus.
Oh.
Cheers. Happy second.
Happy second.
The sun just came out. Casey brought the sun.
My sunglasses on.
We're at Mayberry again with the girls, waiting for our table, and we're just browsing around the cute shop. So pretty. Look at these candles. Oh my god.
It's so good though.
Cheers to tea, ladies. Wow, Daniel just hooked us up by the pool. We're having a girls' day by the pool. Fruit. Oh my god, this is so cute. These look really good. Sea Isle.
Drink, we love you, Miles Teller.
Yeah.
You're looking at a BT caller.
Oh, that would be crazy.
I'm getting.
We're starting to cook some dinner. We have zucchini and corn on the grill. Just finishing up our hamburgers. This is our spread. Best corn dip ever. Shout out to Bridget and Jordy. So we're now on Daniel's family's roof. Look how cute, guys.
Love.
So cute.
Wait, I'm obsessed. Wait, look at this parachute guy. Look at him go. Julia, it's so good.
We're getting ice cream now. Me and Daniel are picking it up for the girls, and it's in an old bag. How cute is this? How pretty.
One on one side and the other.
I know.
Nuts.
What's his name? Dunder.
Oh my god.
Another round?
Yes, please. I'll have another Blue Moon. Yeah. Another round's good.
Yours in that small cup because the...
It's cold, right?
Oh god.
It feels good though, but I went under. Oh god, it's freaking freezing.
Oh no, I don't know if I want to do it.
But just keep it.
Oh my god.
So we just finished our long boat day. We're back at Daniel's parents' house, just chilling. It was so fun. I've never been out on a boat in the ocean like that, like a small boat. It was really crazy actually. But then we stopped and we got really good lunch, came back. We jumped in. My hair is like still a little wet. We jumped into the bay. I got so many freckles today. So we're just hanging with the dogs right now. And then we're gonna head back to our house and just get ready for the week. It's 4th of July, so a lot of people are off today. So just have to like start my routine for my week. And I hear back from my job tomorrow, my hopeful new job. And yeah, so just a little update. I'll show you guys the dogs. They're so cute right now. What are you doing, Frank? What are you doing? Sweet boy. Oh, hi, Nathan. Hi, sweet boy. Come here.
Feel is confused